What's up everyone? It's me, yours truly John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. For today, we are back for another reaction video for the Super Champions. Incredible take on Camila Cabello and Ariana Grande's famous hits sa All Out Sundays. So I'm so excited to check this out. But before we proceed, guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more reaction video. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Here it is, guys, Super Champions. Oh, another chill performance. Senorita. Oh, they're wearing green for today. Ooh, I love the outfit of Zephanie. She looks so young. Oh, may split screen. Oh my God. Ang pogi ni Jeremiah. Oh, ang bit. Hold on guys, ang aga ng switching and counterpart. My God. But grabe, ang ganda ng harmony, and alam mo, bagay talaga yung tatlong female tapos si Jeremiah distinctive yung vocal niya, and ang pogi niya po for today's video. Very fresh lang si Jeremiah. Let's go back a little. And I love it na may pa-split screen sila today. Oh. Chill vibes lang tayo. Love the harmony. Very sultry si Zephanie doon. Ooh, love that. Hold on guys, grabe. Alam nyo, ang maganda sa version naman ng Super Champions, hindi sila yung katulad ka sa Queendom, talagang pasabog, yung biritan kong biritan. Yung Super Champions, ang gusto ng All Out Sundays, pakiramdam ko lang naman po, very chill, and yung cozy, ganun yung dating. Yung parang, ka lang, chill, Sunday chill yung dating nung version, but still, it can showcase the versatility and how each and every champion connect with each other dun sa counterpart nga na tinatawag, no? So, I love it. Let's continue. Saka yung song choice nila talagang pang chill lang. Kay Jeremiah lang ako nakatingin. Charot. Oh! Si Zephanie! Oh! Hold on guys, kakasabi ko lang, chill vibe lang ang Super Champions eh. Oo, parang binabawi ko na po. Binabawi ko po yung sinabi ko, hindi po pala chill vibes. Grabe, Zephanie! Diba? Grabe. Zephanie ha, oo. Well, it's okay to give her a spotlight sa Super Champions kasi wala naman siya sa Queendom eh. Hindi na natin siya nakikita sa Queendom. So, I think binigay sa kanya yung part na yun to showcase her vocal prowess and dynamic. Grabe, I love that, especially the last part, the high notes, ang galing. Balikan natin konti, guys. My God, ang hirap ng counterpart na yan. Oh, galing ni Zephanie. Very Ariana yung vocal sultry. Ah, oh my God, si Stephanie lang talaga yung part na yun. Hold on guys, grabe ang hirap dun sa part ni Stephanie kasi kailangan niya ihiwalay yung sarili niya sa harmony nung tatlo and talagang syempre kung pakikinggan mo akala niyo madali lang yun kasi mag-isa lang siya but you have to synchronize yung counterpart na yun. Di ba, Sir Boycie? Tama ako doon. Di ba? Kailangan i-synchronize mo siya the way that the other three is singing para maging isa. So, great job! Oh! Grabe, Stephanie! But parang walang masyadong spotlight kay Jeremiah. Oh! Wait guys, narinig niya ba yon? Narinig niyo yung ginawa ni Stephanie? Ayaw niya rin ata ipakanta yung part niya talaga. Hindi ko alam kung anong sharp, G sharp, F sharp yun. Pero mataas yun mataas yung ginawa niya. Let's go back a little. This part. Oh. Uy, Stephanie. Oh my God! The Super Champions! There you have it guys! That is Super Champions from All Out Sundays. Oh my God! Sabi ko talaga chill vibe lang yung version nila every week. Pero grabe si Stephanie ang binigyan ng spotlight for this. Parang maganda yun no, na every week isa sa mga champions yung bibigyan talaga ng super spotlight to showcase yung vocal dynamics para hindi siya yung halo-halo, 'di ba? So, it's a good thing na ginawa nila yun this week kasi Stephanie really proved herself, 'di ba? Grabe. Talagang pinatunayan niya na isa siyang champion. Idol Philippines champion siya. And parang this part lang, walang masyadong part si Jeremiah na solo. Si Jessica meron, si Marian meron. Pero kay Jeremiah parang wala dito sa song na to. Pero nakatingin pa rin ako sa kanya guys. So I love the split crane. I love the counterpart. The harmony, especially yung ginawa ni Stephanie. She really proves that she deserves to be in the Super Champion. So, great job guys! My God, I can't wait to check next week. Sana ganun nga, bigyan nila ng spotlight every week yung isa sa mga Super Champions pagdating sa counterpart or maybe a different part of the song. So, maganda yon. Good job. I love the performance this week. Alright, that's our reaction for today. If you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, kindly do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now. Oh my God!